Hello everyone, today I am going to give you card tactics for intermediate players. I am going to give you 9 seconds only. You need to find the answer. This is very card tactics for intermediate players. Chapter 1. Okay. I am going to give you 9 seconds only. You need to find the correct answer. If you know the answer, please share your answer below the comment sections. Okay. The timer is running right now in the right time. Okay.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Hello everyone, I am going to give you the right answer right time. This is chapter 1, card tactics for intermediate players. Okay. This is white turn right now. How to white win easily this game? You need to think carefully and I am going to give you the right answer now. First move of white turn. Now white rook go to rook rush c6 and check. This is rook sacrifice. Okay, rook sacrifice. If rook cut white the queen, black queen cut the white rook. Okay, then beautiful moves to make what? White thinking amazingly and get the right time, right move. Okay, now white turn. White get the knight here. Okay, now we will check right now. You can see the check. Okay. Another move, black need to move his king. Okay, that's why king got to here, a6. In this case, white moving perfectly right now. You can see the answer. Okay, now knight to c7 and we will check. Now there's a beautiful check right now. After that, king got to b6 and white get easily won this match because of this move. This pawn to go to a5 and beautiful checkmate. That's it. This is amazing. Very card tactics for intermediate players. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you. We are going now chapter 2, card chess tactics for intermediate players. Okay. Hello everyone. This is chess card tactics for intermediate players. Chapter 2. Please find the right answer. If you know the right answer, please share your answer below the comment section on this video. Okay, right now I am going to give you 15 seconds. Okay, if you know the answer between the 15 seconds, you need to a good chess player. That's I am thinking. This is very card tactics. Please watch until finish this video. The timer is running right now in the right time. Okay.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Hello everyone. This game is very card tactics for intermediate players. I am going to give you the right answer right now. Please watch until finish this video. Okay, let's start with now black turn right now. How to black easily won this match. Okay, first move is black turn. Knight cross c5 and we will check. Okay, you can see right now. If another move of white knight cut the black knight. Okay, you can see right now. Now amazing move of black rook cut the d2 check. Now king cut the rook. Then white rook is gone. Then king got to e2. Rook cross h4. Now you can see the two pre-pawns black has. Okay, black has 2 pre-pawns. That's why I think this game will be black will won. Okay, I think this game is going to win black. Okay, understand? We are going now chapter 3, card tactics. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you. Hello everyone, this is chapter 3, card chess tactics for intermediate players. I am going to give you the 15 seconds. Before the 15 seconds, you need to find the right answer. If you know the answer, please write down my chess video on the comments. Okay, you can write the answer below the comment section. If you don't know the answer, I am going to give you the right answer in the right time. Now the timer is running right now. Please find your answer. Okay.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3,
Chapter 3, card tactics for intermediate players. Right now, I am going to give you the right answer. Okay, please watch until finish this video. How to black checkmate white. Okay, black going to win this game. How to? Okay, I am going to give you the ideas and the moves. Okay, first move. Now white turn right now. Black turn right now. Bishop go to g1. Okay, we will see what's happening going to be. If cut bishop y the white group. Okay, then rook h2 and we will check here. If king cut the rook, after that queen amazingly play y the queen f2 and we will check. Then one move here, king go to one space. Okay, king go to h1, then beautiful checkmate. Rook h8 and we will checkmate. That's it. This is amazing and great card tactics for intermediate players. Okay, thank you so much. We can go now the another tactics of this video. Okay. Hello everyone, this is chapter 4. Card tactics for intermediate players. How to white going to win this match? I am going to teach you amazingly and easily. Okay. Please watch until finish this video. Don't miss any video. Please watch whole of this my video. Okay. First move is white turn. White going to play bishop h7 and we will check. Then king cut the bishop. Sorry, not cut. King go to h8. Okay. Another move is bishop plus g7 and we will check. If cut y the king, then rook cross f7 and we will check. Then rook cut. Okay. Another move. Queen g6 and check. White queen made amazing move. Another move of king go to h8. Then rook cross a8 and we will check. After that, black the check, rook. Then rook cross f8 and we will check. If cut y the bishop, the game is over. That's it. This is chess tactics for intermediate players, card tactics. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you. Bye bye. This is our chess card tactics for intermediate players part 1 video. Thank you so much. God bless you. Okay.